Itajime. Wet fabric and lay it flat. Accordion fold the fabric in 4-inch wide sections down the length of the fabric to form a long rectangle. Accordion fold again along the length of the rectangle to form a square. For triangular patterns, accordion fold into a right triangle. Place folded squares between plastic squares and secure with rubber bands. Now it's time to prepare your dye bath. Fill a plastic container with 1.5 gallons of hot water. Add 1 cup of salt, add dye and mix well. Add bound fabric to dye bath. Leave it in the dye bath for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove from dye bath and do not unbind the fabric. Rinse fabric with cold water. Now it's time to use ColorStay Dye Fixative. Fill a plastic container with 1.5 gallons of hot water. Add 2 ounces of ColorStay Dye Fixative and mix well. Stir on and off for 20 minutes. Remove bound fabric. Rinse in cool water and remove bindings.